my god, Jamie!
Hi guys. Well, pretty sure most of you saw that video the other week of me literally smashing to bits my xmaxx. Funny enough, the week after I did it, I haven't actually had a chance to have a look at it because I've been that busy with work. I just didn't even get a chance to look at it last week, and it's just been shoved in the workshop in the exact state it was in since I smashed it up. But yeah, let's have a little look and see what went wrong. I'm sure you can see that, but literally every pin on them rear arms was ripped out. But you know what, when you look at them, no arm has actually got any damage on it. The pins have just been sort of eased out, if you know what I mean. So I think that's good. It's not bad. It'll just go back together that within about 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, something like that. Going around the front, it's a bit different, the front. Try and see if I can show you where the chassis is cracked. I don't know if you can see, but just above that arm there's a crack in the chassis, and it's the same side as well, so that chassis has got to completely come out. Put my new one in. I'm pretty sure when I do take that lower chassis out, I'm going to see a few other issues, but you know, if I see them and need the spare parts, I'll just order them and get them in. And while I'm at it as well, I'm going to upgrade that servo and put the 2085X in there while I've got everything apart. Apart from that, guys, that's the only damage from that big smash. Totally fixable, and hopefully I'll get it done this week. Thanks for watching anyway.
Just leave me to die.